Hi, my name is Larry Vay, and today we're going to recondition a 1-inch 4-flute high-speed steel end mill. We're going to put it on the circle grinder. We're going to push the damage in back. We're going to spin 3 degrees of dish in there. Then we're going to move it over to the OD grinder. We're going to load it into the air bearing. We're going to adjust the finger for the proper clearance and grind the outside diameter, both the primary and the secondaries. Then we're going to move over to the gummer and we're going to set that up to gash at a 45-degree angle, the center cutting flutes and the non-center cutting flutes. Then we're going to move over to the end grinder and level the tool and grind the primary and secondary clearances. And then we'll have a reconditioned end mill. So let's get started.